Orthotics for plantar fasciitis, and what should they do? So when we're selecting an orthotic for plantar fasciitis or to treat plantar fasciitis, it helps to have an understanding of what actually plantar fasciitis is. So plantar fasciitis is inflammation of the ligament called the plantar fascia in the foot. So the plantar fascia spans from between the heel and the forefoot, and it sits in there just like this pen. We'll use that as an example. So the plantar fascia is the ligament in the foot that runs from the heel to the forefoot. Now, when this ligament becomes inflamed, usually from overuse, it becomes inflamed and irritable, and it's called plantar fasciitis. So the itis suggests that the plantar fascia is inflamed. It becomes inflamed and irritable from your arches collapsing or your foot rolling in too much. They're the two really common causes of plantar fasciitis. So now that we know that plantar fasciitis is inflammation of the ligament and it's caused by the foot rolling in or the arch collapsing too much, we know how to treat it we basically support the arch to stop the arch from collapsing, and we try to limit how much your foot actually rolls in. So an orthotic to do this would have a high, long arch support, and it would also be cushioned in the heel and forefoot. So the reason we use an arch support and cushioning is because when we support the arch, it stops the arch from collapsing and the plantar fascia from getting strained. And when we also cushion the foot, it slows how quickly the pronation occurs in the foot. So some pronation is normal. Overpronation is bad for the plantar fasciitis. But what happens is when we slow the amount of pronation that the foot's undergoing, it doesn't have as much force being applied to the plantar fasciitis because the force doesn't come on as quickly, and it helps to limit the pain from plantar fasciitis. So briefly, we support the arch and cushion the foot with plantar fasciitis. Now, there are a number of other factors that will influence plantar fasciitis as well, but today we're just looking at what we'd look for in an orthotic to help to treat plantar fasciitis. If you found this helpful, please like and share, and I look forward to answering more of your questions. Thanks. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. It's very simple to do and it really does help us out. If you'd like more information on the topics discussed, please check out the links in the description, and this will take you to our website where we can discuss these in more detail. If there's a specific question that you have or you'd like answered, please comment in the comments section and we'll do our best to make a video to address this. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you next time.